Another great source of free content is BuzzFeed News. So you find here in content search BuzzFeed News. You find here an amazing set, okay? You can see here all the news that you can find here. BuzzFeed News. And sort by top, popular, or latest. Like you go to CNN and you click on search. Okay, so you get all the news from all the sources on the internet connected to BuzzFeed. And here you are, you get all the most important posts. You can decide to view, like I showed you before, or you can post again, like I showed you before. You can post in your fan page or your group, so that you can always be there and your fans see that you have new content for them to get inspired from. So if you're in any niche that you are, you can use this content to provide content into your page so that you can attract the attention of your prospects again and again. Okay?